Alpha Tech Pet is proud to announce that you can now enjoy these veterinarian-formulated, easy-to-use, earth-friendly cleaners and disinfectants that you and your pets will love. WysiWash. The WysiWash sanitizer is a precisely calibrated, scientifically designed, patented sanitizing system for a hose and sprayer. The WysiWash system will effectively clean, sanitize, and eliminate odors while blasting away dirt and biomatter with a jet stream of water and hypochlorous acid that is 120 times more effective than liquid bleach. WysiWash is safe for employees and animals. Like all of our products, WysiWash is so easy to use. First, clear the area of debris. Next, remove a caplet, but do not take the plastic wrapper off the caplet. This is very important. Then, open the cylinder. Insert the caplet and screw the base to the top. Finally, attach a standard garden hose, securing tightly, turn on the water, and adjust the sprayer to your desired pressure. Please make sure to empty the remaining water in the canister when you are finished. There is no need to worry about proper dispensing. It's automatic. Each caplet lasts up to 3.5 hours of non-stop use, or over 800 gallons. It costs less than a penny per gallon, making it very economical. 9 caplets come with the unit, and you can also purchase a bucket of 9 caplets separately.